So the big news is that Timbercon is bringing the Pony Jorgensen clamp range to Australia. So now you'll be able to buy it directly in Australia from a retailer or a woodwork supplier that most of you know and trust. So, saying that, let's have a look what's in the box. One inch by 15-foot band clamp. Another band clamp. Oh yeah, I was pretty much interested in these ones. These are the deep reach pipe clamps. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, so we've got some medium duty F-style bar clamps. Pretty cool. Let's get a pipe into these, then we can do a comparison to my other pipe clamps over there, which are just your cheap Chinese knockoffs. So if we compare the Pony Jorgensen pipe clamp to a typical Chinese knockoff type, which these ones are, obviously the first thing you can see is these are deeper reach, so you've got a bigger throat size there. It's probably almost double what that one is. The other very obvious thing is that on these, and typical with pipe clamps, the screw thread is on the fixed end, whereas with the Pony Jorgensens, the screw thread is on the travelling end. So, not sure why that is and what the benefits of that are. Surely time will tell. The other thing to notice is that on the cheaper ones, it's got a 4-plate clutch system, but the plates are pretty small and thin, whereas on the Pony Jorgensen, it's got a 4-plate system, but the plates are much bigger, thicker and bigger. So yeah, so that's a plus. And the other thing I've noticed too is with these cheaper ones, if I put that end at full deflection, it's quite easy to see that that angle there has gone way past 90 degrees. Probably almost 5 degrees past 90. Whereas with the Pony Jorgensen, if I take out that deflection on that end piece, just by eye, that looks like it's maintaining a perfect 90 degree. So there's another plus as well. The other clamps were these F-style clamps. These are their medium duty. These are 600mm clutch style. Fairly nice action. Seems all pretty good on the surface. Handle feels good. Screw threads, quite nice. No issues there. So again, haven't used any of these yet. Just got them out of the box. But yeah, definitely looking forward to giving them a go. Yeah, so Timbercon's officially launching their Pony Jorgensen clamp range on the 17th of April. There's going to be in-store launches and also on their website. So at the moment, the website has a landing page just telling you about the official launch. And on the 17th of April, you can go down to the store if you're local, or check out the website. On that date, they'll be uploading their full range of clamps that they'll be offering. Yeah, so make sure you go and check it out. Get down to the store if you can. And for me, I'll just be looking forward to using these clamps in some future projects.